Okay, so in this situation, there was complaints of rat sightings in this bin shed. So the first thing I did, since it's an old wall, I moved the bins to the left onto the new wall, which is fine, and started to look around. So there's a bit of food there that has been taken, nibbled, and very quickly then you realize that there are in fact a lot of rat holes there. They go into the wall. The smell is very strong as well coming out of it. So there's loads. 1, 2, 3, there's 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 there, 8. So I'm gonna get out of it now. And 9 there. And if you look carefully there, I show it with my torch, you can see a black dropping there. That's what rats do, they mark their territory. It's just to say to the other, don't come here, it's our place. So we have a stretch of about 4 meters of a wall with holes in it. So now what I'm going to do is to walk at the back of the wall, through that gate, and we are now in a very, very large park. It's acres and acres, and when I looked at it earlier, it looked a bit like this, yeah? But what I've done is I've actually completely removed the ivy so we could inspect the wall. There was no other way. So it's obviously overgrown there. That shouldn't be left that wild, especially with the residents and bins, you know. So once you uncover the ivy, you can find all these problems there on that side. So plenty of burrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, and you can see also the way the ground is bumpy. All that has been dug from below the wall, which eventually will threaten the stability of the wall. It's a pity. It's a nice stone wall. Okay, so now we have actually, once you remove the ivy, you can see the path that the rats are taking onto the other side. Here and here as well. Here, here, here. Now, this is very interesting. That's typical rats, you see. When they go so many times through a hole, they make those grease marks. We call them smear marks. That's when they use a burrow. Now, when I removed those branches up there was also a lot of smear marks as well on the branches. So they are using the top part there as well to harbor, and all that is going to have to go down. So here again, that's probably the worst smear marks there. Very, very dark, very smelly. Another burrow there, and finally at the end there again, I go down so we can see the rubble again. All that has been digged out from those walls. We have a few further burrows there, and there, and there. So it needs to be addressed, otherwise putting poison is just not going to eliminate the problem. New rats will move in all the time.